Motherhood. It's not rocket science, right? Wrong. Because it's even more complicated than sending a rocket to the moon. Because this rocket needs to travel between my two worlds, motherhood and science. Welcome to the Mom School, a magical place where babies, moms and scientists come together to create products that are natural, safe and effective. Don't you feel helpless when your baby cries during bath time? I felt it too. That's why we whipped up a shampoo that's tear-free, made with coconut, argan and moringa oils to put that big smile back on your little one's face. And diaper rashes? Don't get me started on those. The only one in more pain than my baby was me. So we dreamed up a diaper rash cream that's natural and safe. And guess what? It worked like a charm. Being a mother is a feeling like no other. But the joy we feel inside isn't always reflected on the outside. So we try to make moms look good even when they're not feeling their best. With our Vita Rich Face Care range, enriched with kakadu plum and coffee seed oil to fight dark circles and pigmentation. Motherhood is full of emotion. But it's also a science. And we take great pride in bringing these two worlds together so you can concentrate on the joy of being a mother. The Mom School. Science of Motherhood.